super veterans na sila. At actually, Eliza is younger than you nung pumasok siya sa Ateneo program. In the meantime, that shot is just before the end line. And Erica Santos is just a good scorer. She probably had her reasons for leaving PLDT. In the meantime, this is alive, rejected, but kept in play by Doria. Tough angle to work with, and the block is there. The Signal HD Spikers. Santos with her serve. Oh! Mishandled by Valdez, and it's now 8-4. Just living up to what you said, is a fierce rivalry between these two teams. Good set.
Classic itong Signal versus Creamline.
Actually. Blocked, and it's down and out. The block is there. Kyla Atienza is the other libero for Creamline. Rhea sets this up. Gomabao hits hard. Cayuna, what a set. Erica Santos almost caught. There was a hand on it by Atienza, but they could not elevate it.
What a back set for Jel Cayuna. Here you can see from the opposite side.
Oh, layo, no?
Yeah, from outside to opposite.
Referee Castillo says, let's play on, ladies. Lalim na kuha ni Durendez doon. They regain the point.
Santos.
It's just the perfect fit here for Erica Santos. As the opposite of Creamline feeling.
Knowing Eliza, she'll probably say, oh, you.
Hindi, pinost niya yan. 16 times to
naman.
Single block.
Well done.
No. Gamit wasn't able to read that set from Jel Cayuna, leaving Erica Santos.
She still is with the loss with national team duties. That is going to score. Galanza whirling on the floor.
Great approach for Erica Santos in the back row attack here. If you can see, ganda ng approach.
Gumabao. The floor defense of Signal has been impressive here.
Yes, impressive.
Galanza, Cayuna, Doremdes becomes a setter. This is off the block and beyond reach.
I feel like kapag si Santos, pag mga rally, great time to give her the ball because she knows how to score that point.
So far ng Creamline.
And I think, matagal na magkakalaban yung dalawa. So yung defense ng Signal, kilalang niya yung mga attacks.
That's a good point.
Attacks ng Creamline.
Bernardo shooting it over. Middle. 1, 2. It's a toss. Rhea. There's a double block. Nowhere to go on that one.
Erica Santos covering the down the line there of Eliza Valdez. And I think that's her second block point.
Sumenias na yun. Cut shot. Santos.
Nobody there.
Ang layo ni Gemma
Yes.
for the first time here.
Replacing Camzon.
Yes. Big shot, handled well. Gumabao, Doremdes continues to be solid. Santos hits long into the corner.
Through the block.
Down the line there for Santos. Mismatch. Drop balls, variations. Kasi nga, yung mga strong spikes, attacks ni Creamline, basang-basa na ni Signal.
Oh, look at this. Just very good setting by Cayuna. She went to proper behavior. Hindi naman maano si Shaki. 15-13. Block. But Cayuna says, I got it. Becomes a set for Santos. Oh, what a beautiful play.
And she has been going that down the line every time her blocker is Gemma Galanza because she knows she can really...
Boy, Pearl Denura is bouncing up and down, and boy, she's ready to get into action. Clip high. Santos clips the net. Ooh, grappling with it. Nearly a messy pass there. Cayuna sets this up. Valdez got to it. Pearl is there. Santos. mabigat pumalo si Santos eh.
Yes, and she can clear the net really high. Mataas din yung clearance niya. Kahit back row attack here.
And it's a spike of the set brought to you by Duncan. Pasalubong ng ball. Matalas siya mag-spike.
Oo nga eh. May pasalubong tayo pa uwi.
Yeah. Oh, Valdez is burned. And this is now Signal scoring 3 straight. Dorendes. Santos. Oh, yes, sir.
Santos finds the corner.